The touchscreen helps us make it easier to complete tasks on smartphones, but sometimes the touchscreen of the device will not function properly. The top, left side, or the bottom of the iPhone may respond slowly or won't respond at all. In this video, I'll show you effective methods to help you. Let's move on. Erase all content and settings. You can fix this issue on your device by erasing all the contents and settings of your iPhone. Open Settings on your iPhone, then tap General. Reset. Select Reset all content and settings. Enter the passcode, and then select Erase iPhone. Reset all settings. Resetting all the settings on your iPhone can also help fix this issue. Go to Settings on your iPhone first, then click General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode, click Reset all settings. Force restart your iPhone. If you are unable to restart the iPhone by dragging the slider, you can also force restart and try to fix this issue. Quickly press and release the volume up and down button. Then hold the power button until you see the slide to power off option. Then wait for a few seconds. Press the power button to restart your iPhone. Update iPhone OS to the latest. Keep your iPhone updated with the latest iOS version so that these kinds of iOS issues do not occur. Open Settings and go to General. Software Update to see whether your iOS is in the latest or not. You can open the Automatic Update option as well. Open Assistive Touch on your iPhone. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and turn on Assistive Touch. Delete unnecessary apps. When we have enough storage memory available, we tend to download numerous apps on our iPhone, even if they are not useful to us. So, delete all the unnecessary apps from your device. To delete an app, tap on the app icon and hold it for a few seconds. Then tap on the Remove App option. Then click Delete App. Or you can go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Choose the app that you want to uninstall and tap on Delete App. Fix iPhone with a few seconds. If you still can't fix the problem after trying all methods above, then you should try iMyFone Fixppo. It's an effective iOS recovery tool used to fix a wide range of iOS issues without any data loss. Works well on all iOS devices and iOS versions. See how to use. Step 1. Install and launch iMyFone Fixppo on your PC. Select Standard Mode from the main screen. Connect your iPhone to your PC and click on Next button. Step 2. After the iPhone model has been detected, you will see the different firmware versions. And select the latest version for your iPhone and download it. The program will verify the downloaded firmware and extract the software you need to fix your iPhone. Click Start. Step 3. Wait for the fixing process finish. After using the method above, I believe you can solve this issue easily. See you next time.